So we're able to write a formula from a name. Now we need to go the other way and get a name out of that formula. Well, Cu we know is copper, so that's not difficult. And the OH in brackets is this, it's a polyatomic because there's at least 2 atoms. I can see that by 2 capital letters. And that is the hydroxide ion. I might need to look that up on my table. And there are 2 of them, but I don't do anything with these little subscript numbers over here. They are embedded. Once I've got the name, those would automatically come out. It's really what you're trying to do is go backwards from what we were just doing going forwards. So as long as I get the stock notation right of copper, everything's going to be fine. Why do I know I need stock notation for copper? Because copper's here on the periodic table, which means it's in the transition elements, and all of the transition elements except for zinc and silver are going to need to have a stock notation. So let's try and work out that stock notation. We're going to say, in my picture there's 1 copper, and in my picture there's 2 hydroxides. Hydroxides come with 1 arm because it tells us the valency is 1 and it's got 1 minus. I need 2 hydroxides in my story. Why? Because of this little 2 over here. So it's 2 hydroxides. I know the number of arms of the hydroxides, 1 copper. I don't know the number of arms of the copper. But in order to hold hands with these 2 hydroxides, this copper would need 2 arms, and so I put the stock notation in. Again, remember that you will not put stock notation in when you don't need it, and you won't not put stock notation in when you do need it. You have to know when to need it, and it's when you have the transition elements over here, and sometimes these elements around here and in group 4, they all can have variable valencies from time to time, and you may need stock notation for them. Again, I'm going to put it into a single slide with all the details written down.